Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be finally revealing the winners of my hashtag Artsy Road 1K competition. If you don't know what the contest was, basically the prompt is autumn and you need to draw something autumn themed, and the competition was going to end once I hit 1,000 subscribers, and there were some prizes and all of that. I will leave a link where you can check the original video out. There were so many amazing entries I got. I don't remember the number of how many entries I got, but all of them were really all around amazing, and they just looked really unique and cool. So if you didn't win, that doesn't mean that your drawing or your artwork wasn't amazing. It's just that there were so many options and it was so hard to choose. I'm going to start off by showing everyone's submissions. So without further ado, here we go. Alright, so those are all the submissions. As I already said before, everyone just did absolutely amazing. Now let's move on to the honorable mentions. The honorable mentions do not win anything, but I just couldn't go without mentioning them. So there are 3 honorable mentions. The first one goes to Nizo Cham. I really loved your entry. I absolutely loved all the colors you used, and I loved your creativity. The second one goes to Just Some Fancy Scribbles. I love the background so much, and the girls' colors are just everything. It just screams autumn. And now last but most definitely not least, we have 2 winners, first and second place. In second place, we have Pink Productions. The reason your second place is because the side profile, I know something that's really hard to deal with, but yours just turned out so perfect. And I love the little details. Like, for example, her nose is red because obviously chilly, and I love the flags that you put and the colors you used and how you used the colored pencils and how smooth it was. Overall, you did amazing. And last but most definitely not least, first place is, drumroll please, Stellar Doodles. Stellar Doodles did a minimalistic type of drawing, but it was all just so perfect in the line. It just aesthetically pleasing, and I just could not get over it. Thank you so much for everyone that entered. You all did amazing. To the winners, you can look in the description to find your prize and all of that amazing stuff. Thank you again to everybody for entering. Honestly, you all did amazing. And see you guys in the next video. Congrats to the winners, and bye everybody.